Thinking about upgrading your home entertainment setup? In this video, you're about to discover the 5 best smart TVs available on Amazon right now that completely transform the way you watch movies, stream shows, or play games. From AI-powered picture enhancement to cinematic Dolby sound and ultra-smooth gaming performance, these TVs bring the ultimate theater experience straight into your living room. Number 1. Samsung Vision AI Smart TV. If you want a smart TV that feels like it understands exactly what you're watching, the Samsung Vision AI Smart TV is built for you. This TV uses intelligent AI optimization to enhance both picture and sound in real time, meaning your movies, sports, and shows are automatically adjusted for the best possible clarity and depth. Even if you're streaming lower resolution content, you'll still enjoy stunning 4K visuals that look incredibly sharp and vibrant. Thanks to quantum dot technology, you get access to over 1 billion true-to-life colors that remain rich and accurate even in the brightest scenes. The HDR10 Plus dynamic tone mapping brings out deep blacks and brilliant highlights, revealing hidden details you'd normally miss. On top of that, Samsung Knox Security works quietly in the background to protect your personal data and connected smart devices from harmful apps and phishing attempts. You'll also get access to thousands of free channels without needing subscriptions, giving you endless entertainment right out of the box without spending extra money every month. Number 2. Hisense for QHD Google Smart TV. If you're serious about gaming or watching fast-paced sports, the Hisense for QHD Google Smart TV gives you an incredibly immersive viewing experience that feels almost lifelike. With Mini LED Pro technology delivering up to 5,000 nits of peak brightness and thousands of local dimming zones, every shadow, highlight, and detail becomes more precise and realistic. The HiView AI Engine Pro intelligently analyzes whatever you're rewatching and automatically adjusts picture and sound quality to make everything look deeper and more vibrant. The native 165Hz refresh rate paired with AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and Auto Low Latency mode ensures ultra-smooth gameplay without screen tearing or controller lag. You can even monitor and tweak performance settings in real time using the enhanced game bar. The anti-reflection Pro coating keeps glare away during daytime viewing. At the same time, the built-in 4.1 to channel Dolby Atmos sound system surrounds you with powerful audio that makes every cheer, whistle, and explosion feel like it's happening right in your room. Number 3. LG AI Super Upscaling 4K Smart TV. When it comes to breathtaking picture quality, the LG AI Super Upscaling 4K Smart TV takes things to a completely new level with its Alpha 9 AI. Processor Gen 8. This powerful processor automatically enhances your content in real time so everything you watch looks smooth, sharp, and incredibly vivid. Thanks to over 8.3 million self-lit old pixels, you get perfect black and perfect color technology that delivers stunning contrast even in brightly lit rooms. Whether you're watching blockbuster movies or live sports, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos create a truly cinematic experience that pulls you right into the action. Gamers will love the lightning-fast 0.1 milliseconds response time and up to 144Hz refresh rate that keeps motion blur and tearing out of your gameplay. With NVIDIA, G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium, and VRR support, you'll enjoy ultra-smooth performance across all your favorite games. The personalized picture and sound wizard even learns your preferences to create a custom viewing and listening experience tailored specifically for you. Coming in at number 4, we have the TCL QM6K Series Smart TV. If you're hunting for a TV that delivers premium performance without that premium price tag, this one is a serious contender. It perfectly balances affordability with high-end features. The magic starts with its Q to Mini LED technology, which combines super precise mini LEDs with quantum dot color. This gives you stunning brightness, incredible contrast, and over 1 billion vibrant colors. So whether you're catching the big game, binging a new series, or gaming all night, everything looks incredibly crisp and detailed. Plus, the TCL Halo control system deepens the shadows and gets rid of that annoying blooming effect. With support for all the major HDR formats like Dolby Vision and HDR10+, you're seeing every scene exactly as it was meant to be seen. And for all you sports fans and gamers, the 144Hz refresh rate keeps everything buttery smooth. This TV is a true all-rounder. Number 5. Sony Bravia 3 Smart TV. For a truly cinematic experience right from your couch. The Sony Bravia 3 Smart TV delivers impressive performance powered by the 4K HDR processor X1. This intelligent processor enhances every scene in real time, boosting color accuracy, contrast, clarity, to make everything you watch feel more lifelike. Trilumino's Pro technology displays over 1 billion realistic colors, so images appear vivid and natural. While 4K X Reality Pro upscales your content close to 4000 resolution to restore lost detail. With built-in Google TV and Google Assistant, you can easily search for movies, stream your favorite apps, or control your TV using just your voice. You'll also enjoy support for Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, creating an immersive movie-watching environment with dynamic visuals and powerful surround sound. To make things even better, the Sony Pictures Core app gives you access to high-quality 4K UHD movies, along with credits to redeem some of the latest releases.
Thanks for watching. If this product helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest Amazon reviews and tech finds. See you in the next video.